What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen. So, this day and age, right? It's all about AI. It's all about robots. Soon enough, everybody's jobs are unfortunately going to be taken over by robots. We're not going to have regular cashiers anymore. It's going to be robots. We're not going to have regular car mechanics. It's going to be robots. We're not going to have waitresses anymore. We're not going to have really anything. Everything is going to tend to be taken over by robots in the future. I don't know if you guys ever seen that movie I, Robot, but for one thing, I personally don't know how I feel about that, but there are some things that would be very useful, and that is what we're going to be talking about today. Imagine there's a robot that you can literally just pay to do every single trade for you. It'll sell at the highest point. It'll buy it at the lowest point. It'll make all the right moves. Technically, supposedly, it'll make all the right moves, and all you have to do is give it some money, sit back, and collect the earnings. That's what we're about to be going into today. So if you're excited for the video, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, because I'm dropping straight gems. And you're gonna wanna be notified when I drop the gems, so smash the bell, notification bell, as I said bell twice, didn't I? Smash the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. And honestly, let's just get right into this. All right, so boom, we're gonna get started on creating a bot. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to create a bot on KuCoin. There are multiple other bots. I actually have a bot that's trading for me right now. I just started using it around 2-3 weeks ago, and it's been pretty good. I'm gonna be sharing it with my Patreon soon, so if you guys want to be like involved in that, hit the first link inside in the description or the top of the comments, sign up for my Patreon. Also, it tells you when I'm buying a coin, when I'm selling a coin, what coins I hold right now, all that stuff in my Patreon. So if that's something you'll be interested in, make sure you sign up for my Patreon. But that bot is a little bit more complicated to get into and to start up. But KuCoin, I've talked about KuCoin a lot. It's an exchange where you're able to buy a bunch of different cryptocurrencies and trade cryptocurrencies. So if you don't have an account already, I would suggest you guys make an account. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I'm simply just saying it's a very simple way to buy a lot of cryptocurrencies that's not on the major exchanges like Coinbase and all the other ones that people usually go to when they first get into crypto. But KuCoin actually has a feature where you're able to buy a trading bot and create it based off of parameters that you want to use personally, or parameters that other successful people have used in their trading bots. So in this video, I'm going to dive into exactly how to do that. I'm going to dive into the parameters that you should maybe try out. I'm going to show you guys how you can copy other people's bots that are actually making them money. And yeah, it's going to be a good time. Towards the end of the video, also, I'm going to create a bot myself. I've never used KuCoin to create a bot, so I'm gonna probably put $1,000 or give the robot $1,000 to see what it does over the next couple of days. And of course, I'll come back and I'll update you guys on what the bot has done, if it has made me money, if it has lost me money. Hopefully the latter part of it. But yeah, honestly, let's just hop right into this. Wish me luck. So boom, KuCoin.com. So literally, if you look on the home screen, it stands out up here, trading bot. You've probably seen it when I've been showing you guys how to sell certain coins or how to transfer coins and all that. But up here, at least it says trading bot. All you're gonna do is hover over here and come down to the section where it says trading bot. It says new, but it's actually been going on for a little while now. As you see, there's 5 million bots created already. And the cool thing about this is that you can interchange and kind of adjust a lot of the settings in your bot. You don't just like buy a regular bot and give it money and it does like all the work. Of course you can do that, but it's better and you'll be more profitable if you're being specific about the certain things that you want, the certain coins you want to trade, the volatility, how much you want it to trade, like the different range you want to trade it through, and and all that. I don't even know what just happened. I think I just choked on air. But once we're on this page, all this might look very confusing to you, but I'm gonna break it down and try and make it as simple as possible for you guys, because I have played around with it even though I haven't created a bot on it. I've seen a bunch of videos on it as well. So all this is basically kind of familiar to me. I'm actually excited to create a bot. I'm gonna do that a little bit later on in the video, so make sure you stay tuned and watch the whole entire video. Why can't I talk today? What's really going on? But so there's 3 different type of bots that they offer: a spot grid bot, a futures grid bot, and a smart rebalance bot. It gives a whole description of what each of these do. Volatility killer, sell high and buy low. This is recommended for newbies. This is probably what we're gonna end up using. Actually, we might end up doing something else, but I'll talk about that later. They also have a futures grid, which is long and shorting to profit from both trends. They have the smart rebalance, which is an investment portfolio, risk spread long term. And this DCA, I'm not exactly sure what that is. I have not messed around with it at all, so I'm not going to say anything about it. Another cool thing to note down here it shows you how many bots are created with each and every one of them. So it's 4 million here, 400,000, 200,000 here, and it also shows you the highest APR today. And it says 6,526% is the highest APR today, but keep in mind that's not how much the bot has made a specific person today. Somebody's bot didn't make them 6,500%. They made them maybe 10%, and they calculate that based off of a yearly amount. So let's say if a bot made you 10% and the APR for that 10% equals up to 6,526, it'll show this. It won't say that over the past 1 day you made 6,000%. So yeah, keep that in mind. So these bots aren't making people 6,526% per day. That's the annual amount if the bot stayed consistent for the rest of the year, or for the rest of a year, I should say. So now we have all this out. Of course, you have running. This would be if I have any bots running. As you see, I don't have any profits. As you see, I've never ran a bot before, so I have 0 profits. They also have this tutorial here, which can kind of break you through and kind of dive into all the different things with trying to create a bot. But hey, that's what you got me for, you know what I'm saying? Over here, we have ranking on the spot grid, which is basically these are the highest ranking bots that other people have made. I think my words is just not working today. Maybe I'm nervous. I don't know. But these are the bots that other people have made, and these are like the top performing ones as of today. Like I said, this percentage right here is not how much they made in 1 day. It's how much, if their bot was consistent with the amount that they've made today, that's how much they would have by the end of 1 full year. So obviously you can change these. This is basically a bot that's trading KCS/USDT. Of course, you can trade other ones like BTC, USDT, and it'll show all the highest ones on that's trading this pair, all the highest bots that's trading this pair. You can also click the 7-day to see how much people are making on the 7-day APR and all of that, or the top ones in the 7-day, on the 7-day period, I should say. And once you come into here, you obviously just click it, and it will allow you to just press create right here and literally copy over all of the settings that this person was using. So if you go to all parameters, it shows you the price range that they're trading it through. So they only want to trade this, or they only want their bot to work when Bitcoin is trading between $40,000 and $74,000. Man, Amazon just knocked on my door and interrupted me. But like I was saying, it shows the price range that you would allow your bot to trade through, which for this parameter, it's 40,000 to 74,000. It also shows the max amount of orders you want your bot to place. So they put 100, so they don't want their bot to place more than 100 orders or place more than 100 trades. So yeah, that's basically all the little parameters that it allows you to have. It allows you to have. The word things is just not working out for me today, so we're just gonna ignore that. You know what I'm saying? So I could obviously come in here and change the range to what I would personally want it to be, the amount of placed orders. If exactly I wanted to copy these people off of this, can I exit out? These people off of the like top bots for the day. Now keep in mind, these bots can do really well one day and do really bad another day, and then kind of be average the next day. It's not always consistent. You're not gonna have a bot that makes you 10% every single day. It's really based off the markets. It's based on the pair. Like if we come in here, I can show you guys, if you choose a certain pair, it shows you the volatility. So if a pair is not very volatile, it's not moving a lot, therefore bots won't take that many trades. That means that your bot will really just be stagnant, because the bot isn't just gonna trade just to trade. It's gonna trade when it sees an opportunity, and then it'll place the order, and it'll play it safe. It does not. My cat is screaming. He always wants to be, he hasn't done this in the past like 3 videos. I've been good, but I think he wants to make a comeback. But like I'm saying, your bot will not just place orders just to place orders. It goes off a certain system, and if that system does not align with what the market's doing, your bot will not place the orders. So like I was saying, if there's not enough volatility, then your bot is really just stagnant. It's really just sitting there. So if we see up here, MNET/USDT, the volatility is 4,390%, which is crazily high. My cat is literally screaming at the top of his lungs right now. This is absolutely ridiculous. He was just outside literally when he was screaming the first time, and now he just went through the window and he's in the room now. But as you see, the volatility changes for a lot of them. We have KDA is 17% volatility. So for me personally, like I said, I have my own bot, but it doesn't go off these same percentages. So I'm very excited to see what will actually happen when I create my bot in KuCoin, which is what we're going to do right now. I believe I have around $1,000 in my KuCoin worth of USDT. So I'm going to figure out what pair I will trade. Actually, let's do it right now. Let's figure out what pair I'm gonna trade. I don't want crazy high volatility, but I also don't want something that's not moving at all. So honestly, I think I do want crazy high volatility. I'm not gonna lie to you. Should I just do the top one? Just full send it? No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, let's sort it by volatility. 4,000. I'm doing it. I don't care. Actually, let me come in here and see the top bots traded for that right now. There are none. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not doing that at all. Let's find a pair that I actually am a fan of. Give me 1 second and I will be right back. All right, so we found one. We're gonna do XTAG/USDT. XTAG is basically, it's a DAO on the Solana network. I haven't made a video about it. I haven't really researched it that much. I just recognized the tag and I was like, hey, let's put it in there. It has some pretty good volatility. If we look at it, if it lets me open it up, XTAG, it's not crazy high, but it's also not crazy low. 57% volatility. So I'm gonna go with this, and we're literally just gonna be the guy that copies the top guy. So we're just gonna take everything that he has and press create. We're not gonna change any of these settings here. He has it trading between the 3% or $3 to $5 range. The amount of placed orders is 16, which is kind of low. Let's just change this to, let's just change it to 50. Let's just change it to 50. Let's just do it. You know what I'm saying? You win some, you lose some, but we better win this one. And we're just gonna put $1,000 into this, exactly. So I'll be able to track, maybe in a couple days or so, I'll look at it and I'll make a video showing you guys the profits, seeing if it's been profitable or it's been negative. This is not financial advice. Y'all see me, I'm literally doing this for the first time. I've had trading bots, like I said, but I've never done it on KuCoin. So I'm doing this for the first time. I'm risking my money for y'all entertainment and for y'all also to get that first-hand experience to see if this stuff actually works before you do it yourself. So now that we have that, we're literally just gonna press, let's see what the advanced settings say. No, we're not gonna touch that. Let's just press create. All right, here we are. Order confirmation will transfer from the trading account 1,000 USDT, profits per grade, bada, place orders 25, confirm. Wish me luck. Transferring funds, buying XTAG, placing order. Okay, boom. So I believe we are in, what happens if we press details? Is it doing anything right now? I'm actually not even sure what any of this is, but I guess as it goes on, we will see. All I want to see is this number go up, this total profits. It has to just go to around 500,000, something like that, and I'll be happy. But that's the end of the video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Of course, I will update you guys on the progress of this in a couple of days. I'll probably give it a week just to see what it does. I won't check back. I want to be surprised when I see how much it's made or how much it's lost, so you guys can get my reaction on camera, and I don't already know what it is off rip. But if you're excited for that, make sure you subscribe to the channel with the post notifications on so you can be notified whenever I post. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the number literally just jumped down $3. It said total profits minus $3.78. Oh, it's back up. It is now back up. Honestly, I don't know. We go see. I'm excited to see this. I just wish I could fast forward right now, a week from now, and just be up $500,000. But like I said, if you guys want to be updated when I do talk about the trading bot that I actually use right now, sign up for my Patreon, first in the description, or you can just go in the comments down below, and it'll be pinned up there as well. But if you don't want to, man, I'm dropping gems still on the channel, so make sure you subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. And yeah, that's really about it. Good luck on all your trades. Good luck on all your crypto. Good luck on all your business. Good luck on your family. Good luck on your everything else. And I'm gonna see you on the next video.